Welcome to the JMT.
Senator Patrick Abba Moro talks to make the end age discrimination for job matter. Correct people out on that day. We don't come again for this our news channel. If this one is the first time when you come across this our video, I beg make you do well to go subscribe. And if this one not be the first time, we will not forget to turn on that notification bell so that all our news go they enter your phone as if na text message or bang bang. My people, on today entertainment news, we want to talk about wetin Abba Moro don talk for parliament. He don dey fight against age discrimination for all this public sector and private sector. He talk say for us to serve NYSC now, the age at least 30 years of age now we fit serve. If you don pass 30 years, we no go fit serve. Say come imagine say you don come finish NYSC, you can't get some companies where you can't talk say they no go fit carry you. You have to be 25, or you have to be 23, or you have to be 20. Say you can't dey limit most of our youths to even work. Some go even they talk about working experience. They can't they say if you not get about 15 working experience, you no go fit. Say where they want get that kind thing from when their age you know go let them do. Say now make many people now they go the defraud age. They will go reduce their age. Maybe they born them for this 1999. They'll go carry on call front say now 2005 because they not say how the country be. Because some private people they go tell you say this age will now be the limit. This age will now be the limit. So you can tell say wait Mr. President consider age matter. Make them try remove this age ban because age don't be barrier now for many people to even get job, for many youths to get job. If they place where they look into the matter. My people, make una watch this video, make una hear am for yourself on how it talk about the matter.
Mr. President, my motion is on the age requirement for employment of Nigerians, both in the public and the private sector. And with your permission, I'll move on to read the motion. The Senate notes the uproar within the public over the unabated violation of Chapter 4, Section 42(2) of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, which guarantees every citizen the right to freedom from discrimination. Cognizance that the Black's Law Dictionary, 9th edition, defines discrimination as a different treatment, especially a failure to treat all persons equally when no reasonable distinction can be found between those favored and those not favored, while the International Labour Organization defines employment discrimination in economic terms as a violation of human rights that entails waste of human talent with detrimental effects on productivity and economic growth and generates socioeconomic inequalities that undermine social cohesion and solidarity and act as a brake on the reduction of poverty. Pathetic that a graduate in Nigeria who could not get a job upon graduation and decided to go back to school with the hope that a higher qualification vis-a-vis a second or master's degree could give him a better employment opportunity is thrown into a career paradox when upon completion of his master's degree he comes out to find that he is now above the age of employment and therefore not employable by the sole reason of age. Ironical that a graduate in this country can serve in the National Youth Service Corps program at age 30, but cannot be gainfully employed thereafter on the fact that he or she is above 30 years, a situation that is a flagrant breach of his fundamental human right. Notes further that the circumstances described in the foregoing presents a predicament of the Nigerian youth who has the prerequisite qualifications, knowledge, skills, and is ready to work, but disqualified or excluded from on the sole and unjustifiable ground that he or she is above the age limit by reason of his or her birth, and this situation has led many to commit age fraud by going all the way out to falsify their age to remain within the age limit of employability to the Nigerian civil service and, of course, all other employers of labor in the country. Senate accordingly resolves: urge the Federal Ministry of Labor, Employment and Productivity to immediately draw up policies that relate to equality of opportunity and treatment in access to employment at all levels. And 2, further urge the Federal Ministry of Labor, Employment and Productivity and other relevant agencies to prohibit and discourage public and private employers in Nigeria from putting up job adverts with inherent undertone calculated to deprive any qualified Nigerian of being gainfully employed merely by reason of his or her age. I so submit, Mr. President.
My people, now waiting we bring for now for today news now be this. Wetin una think concerning this matter? This senator right concerning this thing now being not right. Wetin they talk makes sense, make they really consider the way they put this thing into consideration. We go like know our opinion for comment section. Make una also like and share this video. Until meet again for another news, make una dey safe for una do. DJ